Okay. All right. Hey, this has Ben Wagner. I'm the owner of AI Custom Reply. This is a brand new platform that is actually driven by an AI software, and it's custom to your company, to your business, and it's affordable and it's really effective. So I've actually put it into my own company's website, which is called Family Protect VPN, and I'll show you that here in a second, how that works. But basically, this is a huge time saver and it drives a lot more customer engagement. It's really been great. My business, go ahead and show you Family Protect VPN. I integrated this AI chat. So it's AI custom reply. All my data from the entire website is inside this website in this chat right here. And to give you an example, I just asked it, how can a VPN help me? It gave me the answer and even ended with email, contact information. I can actually train the bot. I can actually put information in here that you want to end with, or if there's certain different triggers that you want to put in here, we can talk about that. Here's an example. I could say, how does it work? Could ask. This is directly from my website, and it's really, really awesome at communicating. I can even say, still going, still going, still going. I can say, why do I need it? Why do I need this? There you go. So let's jump back over to different examples. So before I go into that, actually, what's really amazing with this new technology, which I've only been dabbling in this for a couple months, and I can build in a basically a prototype if you'd like for your business and show you what it can do. I did that for a couple different companies down here. I'm meeting, I think next week, hopefully, with the marketing director of this company. It's going to show them how this could really help them. So this is a medical marijuana company, and there's a lot of questions I'm sure people have, you know. One of the questions was what are the side effects? And it pulled this information directly from their site. And this is really cool because you can program it to actually show you where did this answer come from, and click on that. And it gives me the source directly. There's 5 different sources that pulled this information from. You can click on that and it takes you directly to the page, which those look pretty good. Could make you sleepy, but hey, wow. So it's really cool because you can end it also with, for example, here's a link that shows the customer, potential customer, where they can go purchase in person. There's over 115 different places they can go to, and they can type in the location. So that's another way to drive traffic to close some sales. Here is another company which I love, Amio Life, and they sell a lot of products with a it's called structured silver, and it's a game changer with immune health. And it's really good. We've been taking it for a long time. So I went ahead and imported about 140,000 words of their site with a site map that we use. And I just asked a question, which is actually a popular question in this world of silver. Does this silver turn me blue? There's a type of silver called colloidal silver that's not good for you. So it does reference and talk about that in detail from the website. And also there's a blog, there's several blogs that pulled all the data inside this. So this is really cool because you can end the conversation with directing the customer to a Calendly link, which is, I just set this up just to show what you could do. And they can schedule a phone call talking about Amigo Life products. And so once they get their affiliate program up and going full throttle, then sales reps and all that, this company is an up and coming mover and shaker in the health and wellness field. I can't wait till a couple new products come out, which you'll really enjoy. So yeah, you can ask it tons of very specific questions. So that's another example. And if you're interested, so I'm going to go ahead and be posting a bunch of different examples, whether it be, a real estate website, insurance, chiropractors, dentists. There's a dentist actually in Texas that I'll be doing a video on, a relative. Hopefully, we can get that posted up pretty quick. Stuff like, for example, you're going to go see your dentist, but you're a little nervous about, um, how does a root canal work, or how, what is the process of a root canal? And all that information, which is branded from their company, is only going to spit out information that's based upon their company information. So you're branded. So for example, back to Mio Life, it's really important to respond based upon information they approve of. You don't want to send a customer a weird answer that you would get from Google if you said, um, how can structured silver help me? If it said, well, it's going to cure all these things, that could be really bad. That could get get them in trouble, right? So one huge advantage of AI custom reply is it's going to use the technology to communicate with your customer only based upon your business content or information that you approve of or that's in your website currently. And we could even pull information from YouTube videos as well, which would be a different separate whole separate deal as far as would be very little more time consuming, but we can do it for sure. Um, so yeah, this is new and it's very effective. I've had several businesses that they want a prototype, they want information, they want me to send them an example. So I'm working on, I think I've got 4 other examples I'll be pulling into the channel here. So if you want to subscribe, you can. There'll be, more of a smaller group of people, maybe a couple hundred, a couple thousand people that will probably end up following stuff like this. It's very niche and very custom to business owners and people that really want to get accurate, fast, quick information, um, and close deals quicker, and utilize this new technology. So I'm pretty confident most businesses will end up having this integrated into their system just because it's super easy to get information. It's also worked great for training. If you've got a bunch of team members that you want to have, let's say, a whole PDF document of all of your training manuals put into a chat like this, that works great too. You can even do, a separate link. It doesn't have to be inside your website. So this whole chat right here, for example, link this custom chat, and this is Emil Life. This is the link by itself. So if you're a sales representative, or if you're the company and you want to send just a link that has all of your company information from your website, and you want to be able to ask a question, what is structured silver? It'll give you a full screen and you can do it that way. It's a little bit easier if you wanted to just crank out a bunch of questions and answers, especially with a training module, you can do it that way. So there's a lot of possibilities. The biggest thing I would say is if you're interested, email me at ben@aicustomreply.com. We'll set up a time to talk and I can send you a prototype of what it would look like with your business. So have a blessed day. Thank you again. This is Ben Wagner, and I've had about 8 years experience in the software app world and working with nonprofits. A long time ago, started a couple businesses, had a lawn care business, had a Christmas light business. Uh, just love finding business solutions like this. So we'd love to work with you. And right now, on the pricing, we can go over that together. It'll be a monthly charge. I thought about doing like a initial setup fee, but honestly, I'm just trying to get people on board as quickly as possible so we can work out the kinks. Right now, it's working super smooth and I'm excited. I think it's going to help a lot of businesses. And try it out. I'll give you a 2-week free trial. So for 2 weeks, you can try it out either separate like this. Be more recommended if you could embed it into your website. Either I can do that if I have access to your site, I can embed it for you, or You can have your developer do that. Either way is fine. Awesome. Thanks for your time. And we will be coming back to you soon with more examples very soon. Thanks.